Alright guys, we're out here again, rail fanning at the Elyria Amtrak station. Like always, the highway's very loud over there. Alright, so let's watch the action. I have a little announcement to make after the train, so let's see what we can get our hands into. Very long tank train led by Norfolk Southern -9 and a Norfolk Southern SD70 Ace. That little bit of horn show in the front. But the announcement I want to make, guys, is I've noticed I have been doing a lot of like rail fanning videos. Not much really anything else. Like at the beginning of my YouTube channel, if you guys stick around for that long, I made like Fortnite, Minecraft, and GTA, and I still do. But like I have been like just making like rail fanning videos because they were interesting to film for you guys. So for in the future, I'm gonna be doing more like train simulator, or train sim world gameplay, some more Minecraft gameplay and Fortnite. If you guys would like to see those types of things, more video game related challenges and good things. So yeah, guys, just want to make that little announcement since I haven't been keeping up with like anything else for that too much. I've just been doing like rail fanning, and I haven't really been doing much anything else. So I'm gonna get back to you guys in a minute. I hope you guys enjoyed the little dance. It was a bit cringy, but yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye.